How do you find an exchange you can trust without handing over your personal data? Sounds impossible, but there is such an option. BingX is the official partner of Chelsea Football Club, and it allows you to trade without KYC. Today, I'll show you how this anonymity works in practice, how to launch passive income, and how to unlock the best conditions so your start on the platform is perfect. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how BingX makes all this possible, and why it's not just a choice but a necessity in today's world. Let's get down to business. BingX launched in 2018 and has already become an official partner of Chelsea Football Club, reputation confirmed. But traders choose it for other reasons: freedom from KYC, deposit crypto, trade spot and futures, and copy pro traders deals without identity verification. Copy trading leadership. The platform was built as social from the start, so it offers the largest selection of traders and transparent risk setting. Beginner-friendly simplicity. The interface is intuitive, while powerful automation tools are hidden inside, ready to unlock as your experience grows. Step 1. Registration and security. To start correctly, it's important to register via our partner link in the description. Sign up with your email or phone number, create a password. Your account is ready. Immediately open Security Center and enable Google Authenticator. This is not advice, it's a rule. Without 2FA, your funds remain unprotected. Step 2. Verification, KYC. On BingX, identity verification is required only in 2 cases: if you want to buy crypto via P2P with fiat, euro or dollars from a card; if you need very high withdrawal limits. For everything else, you can trade anonymously. If you decide to complete KYC, open the profile menu and select Identity Verification. Enter your country and choose the document type: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will guide you on how to turn your head. Submit the application. Verification is automatic. Usually, the verified status appears within minutes, and then the full functionality of the platform is unlocked. Step 3. Funding your account. Your account is created, security is enabled, now it's time to bring in funds. There are 3 ways. Crypto deposit, if you already have coins. In Assets Arrow Deposit, select the currency, for example USDT, and the network TRC20 is recommended. Copy the address. Important, a mistake in the network or address will lead to irreversible loss of funds. P2P purchase, directly with a bank card. The rate is often attractive, but there are risks, possible scams and card blocks due to dirty transactions, since you don't know who's on the other side. Exchange service in chat, the most reliable option. Funding through our own exchange service is available in the trading chat, fast, safe, and at a good rate. This is the method we personally use. So you have a choice: classic deposit, quick P2P, or safe exchange inside the community. Trading, spot and futures. Funds are on the account. Time to move to trades. Spot. Everything is simple. Choose an asset, for example, BTC. Click Buy, and you become the owner of the coin. Futures. Here, the main opportunities open up. You can earn both on growth, long, and on decline, short, using leverage. BingX offers perpetual USDT-M, Coin-M contracts, and standard futures. How to open a trade. In the top menu, select Futures. Choose contract type and pair, like BTC USDT. Set leverage from 1 to 100, but beginners should stick to 3 to 5. Define direction. Long, bet on growth, or short, bet on decline. Select order type, market, current price. Limit, your price, or stop. Enter the amount. Set stop loss and take profit. Click Open position. All active trades are displayed at the bottom of the terminal. Here you can track profit, P&L, adjust stops, or close positions partially or fully. Golden rule: always use isolated margin. Avoid high leverage at the start and always set a stop loss. Without it, your deposit can vanish quickly. If this still sounds complicated, that's exactly why we created our trading chat. There we don't just give signals, but explain every trade, why we enter, where we set stops, and how we analyze the market. Join us to learn through practice and start thinking like a professional. The link is below this video. The main feature of BingX: copy trading. If you're not yet ready to trade on your own, BingX offers the best tool. You can literally hire a professional at no extra cost. How to connect? In the top menu, select Copy Trading. Browse the list of traders with detailed stats: ROI, risk level, number of followers, active trades, history. Choose the right trader and click Subscribe. Enter the amount to copy and confirm. From that moment, all trades of the chosen trader will automatically be mirrored on your account, proportional to the allocated funds. Risk management. BingX provides flexible settings: loss limit, maximum trade size, limit on the number of open positions, automatic stop of copying once the threshold is reached. At any time, you can pause copying, close individual trades, or disable a strategy completely. The trader earns a percentage of your profit, which motivates them to trade carefully and consistently. This format makes copy trading on BingX one of the most popular and profitable solutions on the market. Automation. BingX Trading Bots. For those who want to free up time while keeping the market under control, BingX offers a full set of trading bots. Bots work 24/7, remove routine tasks, and let you apply different strategies without constant chart monitoring. Spot Grid. Classic Grid. Buys on dips, sells on rises, profiting from price swings. Perfect for volatile assets. Futures Grid. Same logic, but on futures with leverage. Amplifies results but requires careful risk management. Martingale Bot, DCA, increases trade volume during corrections to recover faster when the price bounces back. Great for those who believe in trend recovery. AI bots, smart algorithms that automatically adjust parameters to current market conditions, ideal for those who want to let the system handle the setup. Bots can run in parallel, combine strategies, and set risk limits. This way, even beginners gain access to advanced tools, while experienced traders can scale their ideas and keep the market under control 24/7. How to connect the bot. Hover over Assets in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Bot Account. Click Create and choose the type: Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Martingale, or AI Strategy. Select the trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually: price range, number of levels, volume, leverage for futures, or choose AI Recommended for automatic optimization. Set the amount you allocate to the bot. Click Create. Once launched, the bot runs on its own, buying on dips, selling on rises, following the chosen strategy 24/7, and locking in profits without your involvement. You can stop at any time, adjust settings, withdraw part of the income, or view full statistics. Passive income, wealth section. For those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it strategy, BingX offers a full wealth section, a suite of products for passive earnings with different levels of yield and risk. Earn, basic and reliable solutions. Flexible term, withdraw funds anytime. Fixed term, higher yield, a great option for stable interest. Sharkfin, a product with capital protection and enhanced returns. If the price stays within the set range, income is maximized. If it breaks out, your funds remain safe. Dual investment, for those who want to profit from price fluctuations. Payouts can be in one of two assets, depending on market conditions. Loans, gain liquidity by borrowing against your crypto without selling your coins. In short, wealth combines different approaches. FROM ultra-secure savings products to more dynamic strategies with higher returns. This allows everyone to choose a passive income format that fits their style, whether conservative accumulation or active engagement with market swings. How to use the wealth section? It's as simple as it gets. Go to Wealth, select the product and coin, enter the amount. From there, interest accrues automatically and you can track statistics in Assets. Wealth account. This is the perfect option for anyone who wants stable passive income without spending days staring at charts. If some terms sound unfamiliar, no worries. In our Telegram channel, it's much easier. To get comfortable, we explain everything clearly, without fluff, hype, or fake promises. Honest and straight to the point, no filters, no quick X's. The link is in the description. Join us. BingX mobile app. BingX also has a convenient and intuitive mobile app that fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. Through it, you can complete registration, fund your account and withdraw funds, trade spot and futures, launch trading bots, use P2P, copy trading, and the wealth section. The app runs fast and smoothly. Trades open without lag, full futures functionality is supported, and data instantly syncs with the web version. This makes it easy to switch between computer and phone while keeping complete control over your account. Security on BingX. BingX is rightly considered one of the most reliable crypto exchanges in its segment. Since 2018, the platform has operated without major incidents, building a protection system comparable to the world's largest exchanges. Key security elements. Cold storage. Most user funds are kept in offline wallets, safe from external attacks. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly confirms that all balances are 100% backed, eliminating the risk of empty accounts. Two-factor authentication, required for login, withdrawals, and settings changes. Notifications. The system informs you of every login, transaction, and security update. Withdrawal protection. Every transaction requires 2FA confirmation, preventing unauthorized transfers. This set of measures ensures a high level of account and fund protection, building trust in the platform. BingX shows that security here is not a formality, but a fundamental part of its architecture. BingX Bonuses and Referral Program. BingX makes starting as a new user as profitable as possible. Register via our partner link to receive bonuses. The amount depends on your deposit, trading volume, and participation in promotions. How it works: register through the partner link. Fund your account and meet the welcome program requirements. Use the bonuses directly in trading. Additionally, BingX has its own referral program. In your dashboard, open Invite Friends, copy your unique link, and share it. When invitees start trading, you earn a percentage of their fees. The exchange also regularly runs promotions and giveaways, giving you the chance to earn extra bonuses. This makes starting on BingX not only safe but also profitable. Conclusion: BingX is a convenient and secure platform for those who want to earn through bots, copy trading, and other tools, without spending years studying charts. Your steps after watching this video: register via the link in the description. Set up account protection. Join our Telegram channel and trading chat for support and experience sharing. Like this video and subscribe to stay updated on new breakdowns. All links are below the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.